of the banana hunt.
Day two now.
It is day 2 of the banana hunt. And I'm not sure where she is. Have you seen the banana today? Have you seen the banana today, Bob?
Yes.
You have? Where was it?
From my hand.
It was on your hand. Well, I haven't seen the banana yet today. Wait, hold on. Is that a mark from the banana? It is. We were sleeping, and we woke up, and we had a mark from the banana, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm going to find out why this mark is here. You're going to help me, right, Bob? Okay. All right. Well, we're going to find out why we have these marks on our hands. Mine's almost soft. But Bob has one on his hand. I think that was the angry banana. We got to go. Bye. Okay, so me and Bob came up with a plan. Bob's gonna find the angry banana. Go, Bob, go! Bob, where are you? Bob, did you find it? Oh my God! Okay, Bob is back. Bob is back. Bob, tell me, did you see the banana?
Yes.
You saw it. What did it look like?
Milk.
It looked yellow.
It was yellow.
Was it angry?
No.
It wasn't angry, but it's the angry banana. All right. Well, Bob, I think I have a plan. Do you? Do we have a plan?
Yes.
We do have a plan? All right. Bob said we have a plan. Right, Bob? All right. We have a plan. Bob's going to check out if the angry banana is back. And Bob just went in. Bob! Ah! Bob! Okay. Okay, where is Bob? Bob, are you okay? Oh my God. Bob's gone. I gotta go look. I'm in here. Go, Bob! Go, Bob! Go! Go! Bob! Go! Go, Bob! Me and Bob made it back. Day 2 of the banana hunt, right, Bob? The banana almost got you, right? She almost got you. But we made it back. Remember, guys, catch us on day 3. Day 3. Right, day 3
Day 3.
of the banana hunt.
Banana.
Right, Bob. Day 3 of the banana hunt. If we're alive.